Multimedia is everyday use, which contain different form of content, using text, graphics, audio, video, and even animation, integrated into a single digital presentation to convey information or tell a story.
On the other hand, ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology, a broad term encompassing all the tools, software, hardware, and resources used to manage and transmit information, including the computer, the internet, mobile phones, software applications, and broadcasting technologies.
As 21st century learners, we've all seen how ICT and multimedia change the way we study and communicate. For me, it has been a big help in doing my homework, joining discussion, and even connecting with teacher.
That's true. Technology influences not just how we learn, but also how we explore information. Thanks to ICT, we become more independent, creative, collaborative in our learning journey.
Now, let's talk about the benefits of multimedia. One of the reasons why it's such a powerful tool in the 21st century is its flexibility. It allows us to use text, images, videos, and sound all together. This makes learning more engaging and easier to understand.
Exactly. Multimedia also gives teacher and student comprehensive access to resources. With just few clicks, we can explore topics from all over the world without having to travel. It even sparks creativity, making both learners and educators think outside the box.
And let's not forget, multimedia help improve problem solving skills and makes classes more interactive, encourage us to think critically.
So, if you are a student like us, don't just be a passive learner. Use this tool to explore, create, and connect.
That's it for our discussion. We hope you learned a lot from us today. And remember, be a wise user of technology. Bye!